Hey there, food lovers. Get ready for some excitement. We have an amazing surprise in store for you today. We created the most irresistible banana bread brownies ever. Curious about the hidden truth? Let me share the secret with you. Grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let's get started. Before we embark on this delicious journey, ensure we have all the essentials ready. It's always a good idea to double-check your pantry and fridge to ensure you have everything. No one wants to be caught mid-recipe without baking soda, so here's your shopping list to ensure you're fully prepared. First, you'll need 2 ripe bananas. The riper they are, the sweeter and more flavorful your baked goods will be. Next, gather half a cup or 1 stick of unsalted butter and melt it. You'll also need 1 cup of granulated sugar and 2 large eggs. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. This will add a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor to your recipe. Measure out half a cup of all-purpose flour. Sifting it into a bowl will help ensure a smooth and even texture. You'll also need half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. These ingredients are crucial for the perfect balance of flavors and texture. And of course, half a cup of chocolate chips. Because let's be honest, who doesn't love a little extra chocolate in their treats? Now that we've gathered all our goodies, we're ready to dive into the fun part, mixing and baking. Let's get started and create something delicious together. Now, let's talk bananas. Grab those overripe beauties that have been patiently waiting on your counter. You know, the ones you'd typically turn into banana bread? Well, get ready to give them a whole new purpose in life. Grab a fork and mash the bananas until smooth and creamy. No big chunks here. We want that banana flavor to infuse every single bite of our brownies. All right, everyone, it's time to work some magic. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of baking, where simple ingredients come together to create something truly magical. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a newbie in the kitchen, this recipe is sure to bring a smile to your face and a delicious treat to your table. Whisk together the melted butter and sugar in a large bowl until they're well combined. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for our batter. The butter adds richness, while the sugar brings sweetness and helps to create a tender texture. Make sure to whisk until the mixture is smooth and glossy. Next, add those gorgeous mashed bananas and stir until everything is cozy. Bananas add natural sweetness and keep our brownies moist and flavorful. They add a lovely hint of banana flavor that pairs perfectly with chocolate. Stir gently to ensure the bananas are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Crack in your eggs one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. Eggs provide structure and richness to our brownies, while vanilla adds a warm, aromatic note that enhances all the other flavors. Mix well after each addition to create a smooth, cohesive batter. Remember, we're going for smooth and creamy here, people. The key to perfect brownies is a well-mixed batter free of lumps. Take your time and mix until everything is beautifully combined. Whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt in a separate bowl. This step ensures that all the dry ingredients are evenly distributed, which is essential for even baking. The cocoa powder adds a rich chocolate flavor, while the baking soda helps the brownies rise and become light and fluffy. This ensures that everything is evenly distributed and prevents dry pockets in our brownies. No one wants to bite into a clump of flour, so take your time to whisk thoroughly. Now, gradually add the dry and wet ingredients, mixing until combined. Adding the dry ingredients in stages is essential to avoid overmixing, which can make the brownies tough. Mix gently and stop as soon as the flour mixture is incorporated. Don't overmix. We want those brownies to stay nice and tender. Overmixing can develop the gluten in the flour, leading to dense and chewy brownies. So, mix just until you no longer see streaks of flour. Finally, the best part is to fold in those chocolate chips. This is where the magic happens. The chocolate chips melt slightly during baking, creating pockets of gooey, melty chocolate throughout the brownies. Use a spatula to gently fold them in, ensuring they're evenly distributed. Because seriously, can you ever have too much chocolate? The more chocolate, the better, we say. These brownies are going to be rich, decadent, and absolutely irresistible. So get ready to enjoy a little slice of chocolate heaven. In the heart of the oven, it's baking time. Let the delicious adventure begin. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Pour that glorious batter into the prepared pan and spread it out evenly. Pop that pan in the oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with a few moist crumbs attached. Remember, we want them fudgy, not cakey. Get set for the cooling down phase, so hang tight, young baker. The best is yet to come. Once your brownies are baked to perfection, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely in the pan. We know, the waiting is the hardest part. But trust us, it's worth it. While they're cooling, you can clean up your baking area, pour yourself a glass of milk, or sit back and inhale that amazing aroma filling your kitchen. It's time for the big reveal. Slice and serve with style. Okay, who's ready for the best part? Once your brownies are completely cool, cut them into squares and indulge. These brownies are delicious, but feel free to get creative. Top them with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, a dollop of whipped cream, or a drizzle of chocolate sauce. The possibilities are endless. Let's spread the joy and share the brownie love like never before. Get ready for a delicious adventure. Now that you've created these masterpieces, it's time to share the love. These banana bread brownies are not just a treat for you, but a delightful gift for everyone around you. Imagine the joy on their faces when they take their first bite. Serve them up to your family and friends, and watch as they gather around, eager to taste your delicious creation. These brownies are perfect for any occasion, whether a family gathering, a friendly get-together, or a cozy evening at home. Or package them up as a sweet treat for your neighbors. A beautifully wrapped brownie can be a wonderful surprise for someone who needs a little pick-me-up. Add a personal touch with a handwritten note, and you have a gift to brighten anyone's day. Trust us, these brownies are guaranteed to bring everyone smiles. The combination of banana and chocolate is irresistible, and the moist, fudgy texture is divine. These brownies will surely be a hit whether they enjoy them with a cup of coffee or as a dessert. Remember to share your creations with us. We love seeing how you transform our recipes. Your creativity and passion for baking inspire us every day. Snap a photo of your banana bread brownies and tag us on social media. Show off your baking skills and let the world see your delicious creations. It's a great way to connect with other baking enthusiasts and share tips and ideas. We love seeing your culinary masterpieces. Each photo you share is a testament to your hard work and dedication in the kitchen. It makes us so happy to see you enjoying and making the recipes your own. You can even share your baking triumphs in the comments below. Let's build a community of passionate bakers who love to share and learn from each other. So, don't be shy. Let's spread the brownie joy together. Get ready to unlock a recipe so delicious and decadent that it might blow your mind. We're diving headfirst into a world of fudgy goodness with a fun twist. Banana bread brownies. These aren't your grandma's brownies, unless your grandma is seriously cool. Get ready for a flavor explosion that will have you doing your happy dance. Ready to get your hands dirty? Let's do this. Stay connected. Exciting moments are just around the corner. Well, there you have it, everyone. The most irresistible banana bread brownies ever. We hope you enjoyed this baking adventure as much as we did. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Until our next adventure, happy baking.